Are we gonna have another squeeze for GameStop? Because last Friday we did almost 30%, guys. And now we have to discuss where the next target, because we already discussed this before April, guys. We said the next bottom for GameStop is over the $10 and the 886. As you see here, after the bad earnings, we did update this one month ago. As you can look here, 1 month ago, we did this update for GameStop bottom. And that's why we reverse from the $10 and reverse how much from the $10, guys? We reverse 73%. So if you don't saw, or if you don't see our video that we did 1 month ago, please hit the notification and subscribe to our channel, because we always do update for AMC, GameStop, other stock that we do. Even in our Discord, as you can see here, we do day trade, we do swing trade for our Elite Hunter and the King Elite Hunter swing trade that we do every day, guys. Last time we did for Apple before the earnings, and we did nice jump here, almost 9% on this trade in 1 day. So the link in the comment section below if you want to have early access, of course, because we do live streaming every day on our Discord, and live streaming after that before the market open by 30 minutes on our YouTube as usual for tomorrow to discuss live GameStop and AMC. So hit the notification. Let me know in the comment section below what's the target for GameStop by the next week, because we might have another jump. Right now we did 70%. Last time we said, guys, which one will squeeze first, GameStop or AMC? So GameStop reversed first, and now we might have the squeeze for AMC, because as everybody knows, usually GameStop wants to move, or AMC, the other one will follow. AMC just jumped 5%. So next week we might have the squeeze for GameStop. So today's video, guys, if you watch our video, you're really lucky. It means YouTube algorithm like you so much, because you saw our video before the action for Monday and the next week. So let's discuss where the profit taken, what we should do for AMC because it started to reverse and getting near the resistance, and what we should do for GameStop if you didn't buy yet. If you feel kind of missed out on this trade, or you feel FOMO, don't worry, because there's always opportunity in the market. Not even in the market, but even in life in general. If you miss a good opportunity for a job, or ask a girl out or something like this, don't feel FOMO. There's always opportunity. There's always the next person, the next guy, the next job that you can have better return on your investment, or even better choice. So right now we have to discuss first GameStop, then we're gonna go for AMC. Guys, GameStop jumped from our bottom, the $10, as we discussed here 1 month ago, and beginning of April. We said the reversal, or the bottom of April. We visited the $10 just over our red box. So once we do this kind of alert, and like the alerts of the bottom, the red always we say is the reversal zone. So here, as you can see here, we have the perfect reversal for GameStop over our box, which is our support where the market maker and whale bought. After that, we have a bit of slow reaction, because the first test, we don't have any reaction. The second test, no reaction. Then we have the little reaction, because we have a good buyer, but the buyer bought exactly around the $12 for GameStop. After that, man, in Friday before the market closed, we have the jump almost 30% very quickly. Nobody anticipated that, guys. But now, after breaking the $16, because right now are over the $16, this is a good reaction, because the short is still covering up. The good thing is for the short that the market closed before they cover, because we have the cover up for the short seller, as we said before, around the $16. The good thing is we over broke this resistance, and we're still holding over this resistance. So what we should do next week, what we should have next week and the market open. And the market open, we should hold this level of support. Would be even better over the 1570. Would be really crazy if we held this level. Is mean the price will continue at least toward the 2167, and this will give us at least another 30%. So now, guys, we have 30%. last Friday. Monday, we might have 30% before even the market open if we held the 1576. Why? Because if we held here, it means the short cover, market maker bought again, and we have another pump up. However, on the other scenario for GameStop, if we broke this level, we need to hold this bottom support, which is now the bottom is not the $10, guys, but is the $12. Let me just change this trend and make it more clear about the support over the $10. This is the support, guys. Let me just make it around the $10. And the support, if we have a huge pullback, we have the 12. So even if we pull back around the 12, there's a really good chance to enter over the 12. Again, guys, this is not a financial advice. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So we have two scenarios for GameStop on the market open on Monday, even in the pre-market. If the price dropped from the 1576, this is a sign of weakness, but is not bad for GameStop because we could have a good entry over the 12. So as long as we hold the 12, there's a chance for a reversal and re-entry for discounted price, then go up. However, if we held over this level, the 1576, man, this would be perfect because we might even have the test for the 2167 before the market open. But make sure to take a better profit here. Again, I'm not saying holding GameStop. You see, just as a reminder, because a lot of people tell me like, Jesus, why you promote GameStop or kind of give false hope for traders. No, I'm not giving false hope or never actually give any advice about just buying and holding. Here we do day trade or even swing trade to buy and take profit, not just holding. Because we see this scenario. A lot of people hold GameStop and AMC, even they were up 1 million, guys. I have many clients. I have even on our Zoom meeting that we do on our Discord and Patreon. If you want one of our hunter on Patreon, you could actually have a Zoom meeting with me to discuss what you have like in your portfolio. If you have some stocks go down on you and you want to have a strategy to exit, so one of our traders and like members that have meeting with me, they have a problem of holding AMC and GameStop and told me Jesus was up almost 500%. Some of them 1,000%, 1 million in profit. Imagine. And I told them why you didn't exit, why you didn't take your profit there for GameStop around this level. He told me, of course, I entered here and I didn't exit, even I was up 1 million. But the idea here, the reason that my traders or my client didn't take their profit because they didn't know what's the target. They listened to other traders and other YouTubers tell them to hold and be diamond hands, Abe strong or whatever. They don't have goal to exit. They say is going toward 1,000. Before the reverse split, GameStop was around the 500. And everybody looking about the 1,000, 2,000, round number. This is not trading, guys. Here we discuss the hotspot where the short seller will enter in order to protect your profit. No stock go up parabolically like 90 degrees jump without having a huge pullback because of course some people will take profit. You can't prevent that from happening, not even the short sellers. So here we always say take your profit. So for GameStop, we just say a realistic price target right now for GameStop that we're gonna hit for Monday is the 2167. Yes, we have another target. If we broke the 2167, this means we're gonna have the mega squeeze toward the 27 and beyond, which we're gonna discuss at the current situation for GameStop, where we're gonna do live streaming and update, video update, of course, to discuss the other levels. But in the time being, we have the 2167 to break, which is the other level that the short seller will cover. And of course, we have the two support that we hold to confirm that we're gonna go toward this level. Now, if we go to AMC, we have a huge resistance, as we discussed before, is around the $4 and the $3.75. We discussed the resistance that the short seller have to cover for GameStop is the 2167. Please put alerts from now so you don't forget. Now, for AMC is the 4 and the $3.76. Last time we discussed this level, we have a test for this level back in the 29th of April last month. We have the test, but we didn't even go toward the $4. We have a wick. The price went down very quickly. We didn't even stay here 1 minute or 5 minutes, guys. It means there's a big seller. But the good thing right now, GameStop squeezed. And guess what? We have the same volume, guys. This is really crazy. This is not a glitch. 35 million and this one 36 million of volume. This is tell us the buyers who buying GameStop have focusing on AMC as well. So that's why we have, look at this. This is really crazy. That's why we have a bit of selling pressure here for GameStop. And then we have for AMC buying pressure. This is before the market close, guys. It means some traders and GameStop just took their profit and go very quickly to buy AMC because AMC is undervalued. And what's tell you this means some people taking profit from GameStop because they're already up 30%, and seeing AMC is sleeping, they say, okay, I will buy AMC because AMC will gap for the next Monday. So they're betting that AMC will go higher once again. So this is, guys, this is just a glimpse about the psychology of traders. People sold GameStop for a little profit, then buying right now AMC for catching this jump of 20% or 30% or more if we squeeze from the $4. So this is the psychology of traders or apes, at least for AMC and GameStop, selling a bit of profit for GameStop, buy back AMC around this bottom. So guys, we're gonna have huge action for both AMC and GameStop, especially AMC because right now AMC is undervalued. So we need to be strategic and we need to be ready for this reaction because AMC will have huge action just because GameStop is jumped. So don't ask too much. Don't think too much why AMC jumping because we don't have news and we have earnings coming up, of course, for AMC pretty soon around the 8th of May. So around Wednesday after hours, guys, or I think pre-market is not clear enough here. However, we have a huge earning coming up at 8th of May for AMC next week. Before or after GameStop squeeze, now we have AMC might squeeze just because we got earnings. We might have the squeeze before the earnings. And the trigger was GameStop jumping. So tomorrow we're gonna discuss GameStop and AMC live on our YouTube 30 minutes before the market open. However, if you want to have early access to our live streaming 2 hours before the market open, because most stocks jump before the market open, and be ready with us to enter or exit for those kind of stocks, not just for AMC and GameStop. We have many other stocks that have FDA approval and major news for new drugs, phase 3 FDA approval. We always discuss those stocks before the market opens. So join us in the link and comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.